Hello, Jan here, and welcome to today's forest bathing while self-isolating. If you're stuck indoors and you can't get out, then I hope coming to visit my woods with me is a breath of fresh air for you, and a reminder that nature is still here, and it will still be here when all this is over and you can get outdoors again. These look like leaves, but they're actually flowers. So today, as you see, it's really warm. There's a warm wind and I am lightly dressed. In fact, I'm a bit hot and bothered, which I couldn't even imagine saying a week ago, though, with that cold wind, but now it's just beautiful. So today I'm seeing lots of flowers in the woods. It's been creeping up slowly, but all of a sudden, wham, this warm weather has brought them all out. So I'm seeing wild strawberries, celandines, primroses, violets everywhere. So beautiful. And they're making the most of the sunlight before the canopy closes over. They've only got, I don't know, a week, 10 days at the most, and then these leaves are going to be out, and it's going to be much darker down here on the forest floor. Here they come. The wait is nearly over. And the other star today has been the ferns. I love ferns. Particularly this year, I seem to be really aware of them. All the different kinds and the different shapes that they form as they open out. It's called frondescence. Yeah, frondescence. I've also been very aware of the tree flowers, and usually they're up in the canopy. We don't get to see them very closely, but we've had a few gales this winter and a few trees have come down, and the trees have continued to push out their flowers in the hope of setting seed one last time. Look how gorgeous the flowers are. It's a beautiful green. They're very firm actually. They look like they're going to be soft and fluffy, but they're not. They're quite juicy. This is an amazing colour, isn't it? This kind of olive green here on the bud cover. Huh. And it's such a treat to see these flowers close up. Very beautiful. And I picked a few of these. I'll show you later. I took you to see this tree. Picked a few of these to bring home, to put in a vase and watch them develop on my kitchen table. And I'm walking along and I'm thinking, what's that smell? Where's that bush? What's going on? And it's these. Who knew? These have the most beautiful scent. It smells like daffodils. That's the smell. Or narcissi. Very beautiful. That's going to fill my kitchen with scent. Well, I hope you're keeping well. We are all doing fine in my household, and I hope you and yours are doing well too. I'm making these videos for anyone who's stuck indoors and really missing nature, and especially people who are on their own, self-isolating. So if you know of anybody that would appreciate seeing these videos, please share them with them. I'd love to have them on board. Okay, until tomorrow, bye-bye.